Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to remove card details on Temu. So the only way to remove your card details on your Temu is to remove your card, whether it is a debit card or a credit card. You just need to remove it, and it's very easy. All you need to do is go to your profile. So how do you do that? It's going to be the same for laptop, desktop, and your mobile device. So hover on your profile here, and what you want to do is click on your profile. And in your profile, look towards the very bottom of this main menu on the left-hand side that says your payment methods. And here you're going to see your payment methods. This is going to be your card. It is very easy. All you need to do is click remove. And then next is delete this card. And you're going to have a pop-up. So you can select the reason why you want to delete. Let's just say no longer using this bank card. Click confirm. And there you have it. It is now gone. All the details, even the card, is gone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.